Cost efficiency is a top priority for manufacturers, especially for high-volume production facilities. At Smartle Technology, we design cost-effective molds that deliver maximum value while maintaining high quality and precision. In high-demand industries, faster production cycles are essential, but quality must never be compromised. Our high-cavity syringe molds are engineered for maximum productivity. They enable manufacturers to produce more parts in less time, while ensuring consistent product quality. With extensive experience in medical disposable manufacturing, our multi-cavity syringe piston molds are specially developed for efficient and stable syringe production. They ensure precise dimensions, smooth operation, and long-term reliability.